Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Barbie bags is probably one of the most iconic and beloved accessories for young fashionistas, offering a delightful blend of playful design and practical functionality that allows them to carry their essentials in style, making every day an adventure filled with imagination and chic flair. Number 5. Barbie Club Chelsea Toy Car and Camper Playset. Get ready for endless camping adventures anytime, anywhere. This playset is packed with fun and accessories to spark your imagination. Hitch the camper to the car, place the doll in the driver's seat, and let the journey begin. It's ready to roll. Unhitch the camper and transform it into a cozy campsite in seconds. Just unlatch and open it up. Gather around the campfire with a guitar and marshmallows. Perfect for singing songs and telling stories. Cozy up for the night with 2 bunk beds and a ladder. Sweet dreams are guaranteed on the go. Whip up some fun in the kitchen. With a sink, oven, and fridge, you can create all sorts of mealtime stories. Even the puppy can join the fun with its own doggy door for easy comings and goings. What we like? This toy offers endless imaginative play with its transforming camper that opens up to a campsite. If you are looking for a versatile playset that combines a car, a camper, and a detailed campsite with accessories, this is a fantastic choice for encouraging storytelling and adventure. What people say. The set is sturdy, you will have to apply some stickers to it. The camper rolls as you pull the car, so she likes that. All of the accessories fit inside the camper for storage. The Chelsea dolls are so much easier for smaller hands to play with than the larger Barbie dolls. The camper set is going to really make her happy because she can use her imagination to have adventures. She likes to play with her kitchen set and loves cars. She will be able to take her Chelsea doll for a ride with or without the camper, open up the camper and have Chelsea take a nap, play in the little kitchen, and even has a little puppy to name and include in the fun. We can pretend to have a picnic and cover up in the camper. It's hardy too, as it can withstand my 2-year-old boy's snatching and mishandling. He plays with it as a toy car, so it's a win-win. Number 4. Barbie Store It All. Rolling Storage Bin. Introducing the Barbie Store It All Rolling Storage Bin, the ultimate solution for keeping your Barbie world organized. This extra-large organizer case is designed to hold all your dolls, clothes, and accessories. Adorned with a vibrant Barbie sticker, this case adds a touch of fun to storage. It's the perfect accessory to complement any little girl's Barbie collection. Crafted from durable plastic, this storage case is built to last. It provides an ideal way to store all of your Barbie dolls and their many accessories. Take your Barbie fun on the go. With convenient wheels and a sturdy handle, this portable travel toy box makes it easy to move your collection anywhere. Never lose a Barbie shoe again. This spacious bin is ideal for storing all of your Barbies, their fabulous clothes, and their tiny shoes, keeping everything neat and tidy. Elevate your Barbie playtime with this essential storage solution. It's the perfect addition to ensure all your beloved items are kept safe and accessible. What we like? This is an extra-large organizer with wheels and a handle, perfect for keeping all your Barbie dolls and accessories tidy. If you have a large collection of Barbies and need a convenient, portable solution for storage and travel, this rolling bin is ideal. What people say. The bag is very cute and sparkly, perfect for little girls who love Barbie. It has a good amount of space inside to hold essentials like a wallet, keys, and a small toy. The strap is adjustable, making it comfortable for children of different sizes to wear. Number 3. Barbie ZipBin Dream House Toy Box and Playmat. Introducing the Barbie ZipBin Dream House. It's the perfect way to store your dolls and accessories, and it even holds up to 40 dolls or plenty of outfits. When you're ready to play, it opens up to reveal a beautiful playmat. This fashionable mansion not only provides a fun play space but also serves as a convenient storage bin. Keep your entire Barbie collection organized and ready for adventure. Unfold a beautifully detailed fashionista playmat, bright and bold in Barbie's favorite colors. It's perfect for imaginative solo play or for sharing with friends. Measuring 12 by 12 by 12 inches, this toy box is compact for easy storage. It expands to a generous 36 by 36 inch playmat, all secured with a lid. Designed for life on the go, it features sturdy handles and easily cleaned material. Your dolls can travel in fashion and comfort wherever you roam. Please note that furniture and dolls are not included with this product. It's the perfect storage and play solution for your existing Barbie collection. What we like. This product combines storage for up to 40 dolls with a large, expandable playmat. If you need a space-saving solution that also provides a dedicated play area and is easy to transport, this is a great option for keeping playtime organized and portable. What people say. The bag is made of high-quality material, which is durable and easy to clean. It features multiple compartments and pockets, allowing for organized storage of essentials. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit for children of different ages. Number 2. Barbie Townley Girl Backpack Cosmetic Makeup Gift Bag Set. Introducing the Barbie Townley Girl Backpack Cosmetic Makeup Gift Bag Set, perfect for kids aged 3 and up. It's an ideal gift for parties, sleepovers, and makeovers. This set includes a glittery hair bow, a metallic scrunchie, a sequin headband with a Barbie icon, and a lip gloss pot. It all comes in a clear PVC backpack featuring Barbie and her friends. Our hair accessories are carefully designed and sized for girls aged 3 and up. Made with the best quality, they can be used again and again for endless hairstyle creations. This amazing set contains everything she needs to create a dazzling look. With multiple glittery hair ties and clips, she'll have so much fun glamming up and can take it all with her in the provided gift bag. This set enables kids to explore fashion and beauty safely. It's great for slumber parties or hosting a play spa day, offering a complete beauty makeover set. Decorating hair is a fun activity she can share with friends at birthdays, summer vacations, and sleepovers. It's also great as party favors, stocking stuffers, or school rewards. What we like. This set includes a variety of hair accessories and makeup, all contained within a cute PVC backpack. If your child loves to experiment with hairstyles and makeup, and enjoys taking their beauty tools on the go, this is perfect for sleepovers, parties, or just creative fun at home. What people say. I bought this for my 3-year-old daughter for $7 for a Barbie-themed party and it was perfect. I used the big bow in her hair she used the other hairband as a bracelet. She carried around her little Barbie pets in there and it was a hit. The article is identical to the photo and the description. Ideal para niñas hasta 3 años. Number 1. Barbie Girls Cat Eye Sunglasses Set. Get ready to shine with the fabulous Barbie Girls Cat Eye Sunglasses. Designed for the ultimate fashionista, these shades are perfect for any sunny day adventure. Featuring a chic cat eye shape, these sunglasses add a touch of glamour to any outfit. They're the perfect accessory to elevate your little one's style. Keep your new favorite sunglasses safe and sound with the included handled hard case. It's designed for easy carrying and maximum protection. Whether it's a day at the park or a special occasion, these sunglasses are built to last. They offer both style and practicality for everyday wear. Complete the Barbie look with this essential accessory set. It's the perfect gift for any young fan who loves to express their unique style. What we like. These stylish cat-eye sunglasses offer a fashionable look for your little one. If you're looking for a cute and protective accessory for sunny days, this set with its included hard case ensures they stay safe and stylish wherever they go. What people say. These are very good quality and lenses are 100% UV safe for her eyes. She loved the color and shape, cat eye, of them. Frame is pink and arms are creamy colored and say Barbie. Came with glitter carrying case to store when not using them. It's awesome that they came with a case. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.